UltraAlgo here, and today is March 26, 2021, and we are going to be reviewing some of the stocks that we make calls on today. The first is stock ticker WAFU on the 15-second chart, stock ticker IPDN on the 1-minute chart, stock ticker ATNF on the 3-minute chart, stock ticker APOP on the 5-minute chart, and stock ticker NYSE on the 5-minute chart. Now, just a reference, we talk a lot about shorting on in a lot of our videos, but that's not our primary focus. We primarily just reference these opportunities to short because we find that 95% of investors tend to sell at the wrong time. So we give them some insights into how short sellers are potentially looking at the charts. This way we educate the market, and our tools are really designed to identify both signals from the market makers and from the retail trade, so you can identify opportunities across both for swing trading. So let's go straight into the calls that we made, and this is one of 4 videos that we're posting today around the trades that we did this week. Now, WAFU, we made a call that was going to squeeze, and it jumped up 58.99% from that call. In addition to that, we recommended that everyone locate some shorts very early on. This way you can take advantage of the downside as well as the upside. We have a strong feeling it's going to have a pullback soon. ATNF, that was a short call, dropped down 24.42%. APOP, short call, dropped down 30.81%. Next, shorts call dropped down 10.59%. And IPDN, we saw that it has a history of jumping, so we made a short call and it dropped down 12.41%. Now let's go directly into the charts. And here we have WAFU. You can, let me explain some of the signals that are happening on the screen. We have this blue line at the bottom, that's the absolute support line. This white and the green line, which happen to be overlaid, are the most immediate and absolute resistance lines. Every time it passes over that line, that's definitely an opportunity that you want to take for opening up a short position. And when it's under it, you definitely want to consider taking up a position for a bullish run, specifically if it's touching the support line. So also we have these buy and the short signals. Buys imply bullish patterns. Short is a bearish pattern. This is not a buy and a sell. Very specific. It's very, very important. Ultra bull implied the market makers are taking up positions and they're putting their hands on the scale to push the security in one direction or the other. So here you can see the 15-second chart on the calls that we made. We had the buy signal very early on, and then we saw the ultra bull signals were stacking up. Made a very aggressive run, and then just as an aggressive pullback. Multiple opportunities to swing trade. If we zoom forward, you see it falls down very aggressively under that line. Another ultra bear signal. They were selling off very, very aggressively. And then we see some ultra bull signals, and look at what happens. It actually touches that resistance line. As soon as it touches it, boom, comes falling right back down. Very, very easy trade. So that's just some of the movements that we saw over this particular trade. Our next ticker we're going to look at is ATNF. Now this one we got the buy signal very early on. It made an aggressive run up with that ultra bull signal, jumped all the way up to $14 from when we got the buy signal at $5.33. Then there was an opportunity to execute a swing trade as well. 2 opportunities to short right there on that resistance line. Next ticker is APDN. Again, we always reference that resistance line that we have in place. Every time it touches it or it passes it, it will come scrolling right back down. Here are the short signals to validate the entries and the exits, as well as buy signals for opportunities for swing trading. Here is the next ticker, ticker NEXT, and here you can actually see the ultra bull signals pushing the price up. Specifically, we're going off of the buy and the short signals on this particular trade, but it's also nice to have the validation of the ultra bull if you're going to be swing trading this. Next ticker is IPDN. This call was specifically focused on its history of pulling back, and if you notice that it jumps very aggressively and then it pulls back just as quickly. So this trade was pretty much a no-brainer because it was definitely overextended, and once we saw the short signal as a validation, we decided to write it down as well. So nice quick win here. Thank you for watching the technical video. If you're interested in improving your overall trading strategy, we recommend you start a 7-day free trial with UltraAlgo. This tool is designed to help traders easily identify buy and short opportunities across securities listed on all major exchanges, such as the New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, OTC, and CBOE. It's also available for Forex and crypto trading. Start a 7-day free trial at ultraalgo.com.